Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's get off into this video. So, I had a meeting. I had that meeting with the field inspection company, CSI Inspections. Just getting straight to the video. I'm not going with it. I'm not gonna do any type of field inspection work. I don't understand who would do field inspection work. It makes no sense. Now, I got my camera turned this way on purpose so you guys can see the traffic. This is traffic. I'm in Orange County, California. I'm on the 5 freeway. It's going to be like this on the 405, the 91, no matter what freeway you're on. It's going to be like this. If you're in LA, it's going to be worse. Now, in the meeting lasted for about an hour, and everything, to me, a lot of the stuff that the recruiter was saying for this particular company didn't make sense to me. Didn't really make sense. So, field inspections, you go out, you take pictures of property, commercial or residential. That's what it is. You take pictures of it, of the property, on the condition. You take some pictures, you make a report. She said you might have to do some measuring. In some cases, you might have to draw a sketch of the layout of the house. Okay? And she admitted it will be difficult in the beginning. She said it's going to take about a month to 3 months to really know how to do field inspections. She said, this is what she said, this isn't a company to where you just drive by, take some pictures, and upload the pictures on a database. It's a little bit more involved. This is what she said. So as she's doing this meeting, now mind you, this was a virtual meeting. It was 17 people, in part of this meeting. And way she was describing it, it's a lot of work. It's a process. And then she got to the pay. And she said it was $9 per inspection. $9 freaking per inspection. And she said it should take you 15 minutes to do. How the hell? What $9 per inspection? 15 minutes? Do you see this traffic? Like I said with hop, skip, drive, you're going to be dealing with traffic. This is all I do. I'm always on the road because I got clients in LA County, and I got clients in Orange County. This is what you're going to be dealing with. Traffic. You're not going to get somewhere easily in and out nowhere in Southern California within 10 minutes. You're not. Because I don't have far to drive. I really don't. On a clear day, no traffic, it'll take me 20 minutes to get to where I gotta get to. I gotta pick one of my clients up from school. It's 20 minutes away. But because of traffic, it's almost 40 minutes away. It's traffic all day. So you're going to make $9 per hour. They're telling you 15 minutes. So you're going to make $9 per inspection. It's going to take you 30 minutes to get to your spots. And gas prices are $5 a gallon out here. You're working for gas money. Essentially, I did the math. I don't know. This is what this company. Now, this company didn't get good reviews. It got poor reviews. And I usually don't go off the Yelp reviews. But in this instance, The reviews were right. They were accurate. $9 per inspection. It's going to take you 30 minutes to get to your location. 25. Anything can happen. And 15 minutes in Southern California, no. That ain't going to happen. It's always traffic, even in the morning times. And then you got to go around taking pictures of the houses. Then you got to measure it. Then you got to put in the information. You're not making no money. These are just side hustles. This is not a legitimate, sustainable business. You're going to put wear and tear on your vehicle. You're not making a substantial amount of money. I got two clients that I have, and I'm charging them like $25. I'm charging them $25. I'm charging them $25 per session, and that's too low. That's too low. And that's in the same county. That's not far from me. I don't see how people in these field inspectors are making all this money that they say they're making. I don't understand. $9 per inspection? I'm sure other field inspection companies pay more. I don't know. I don't know much about it. I'm just going off of what I seen these YouTubers talking about the money that they're making, and these dudes, I don't know. They hustling backwards. The video I'm gonna have up. I'm gonna post a video. I'm not trying to. I normally don't post that video on this channel, my coaching videos, but I'm gonna post a coaching video of just a night session for 1 hour. I made $80 for that 1 hour. Actually, no, I made more. I made $90. I made $90 for that 1 hour session. $9 per inspection. You're gonna have to be doing inspections all day to make that money. All day you gotta be out there driving to different homes, taking pictures, uploading pictures. I don't know about that. I don't know. And then you gotta be an LLC. So you're taking regular individuals off the street, because most people are doing these jobs, just want a side gig, or they just want some spending money. So she said after 3 months, they want you to go get an LLC. No. I don't see no money in field inspections. I don't see it unless other companies are paying more per inspection. But these were residential inspections. Now, I did hear people say residential inspections are a lot less than commercial inspections. And then she said you need a live scan. A live scan, $76, $80. You're gonna have to do how many inspections to get that, to pay for the live scan, to get that money back? Yeah, I don't know about that. Yeah, mortgage, residential inspections. I think that's what this company was. Not $9 per inspection. That's a joke. You're just working for gas money. And you got people out here going to do that stuff. Don't make dollars, it don't make sense. So that's how that meeting went. Nope, I'm going to pass. I'm going to focus on taxes, notary, and loan signing. There's just more money with that. I'm even cool with just sticking to taxes in my coaching business. I'm straight on that. So with that being said, it's your boy Nate. I'm out.